This is Naeem from Peshawar, Pakistan. I have been confronting a problem in the electric bikes that I've been working on, that whenever I climb on a hill on my electric bike, I have found that motor is under a lot of stress and it draws a lot of energy, electrical energy from the batteries, and this drains those batteries out, and this way I cannot go farther. My range is reduced, and there are few of the uphills in my route to office that I find that it decreases my range. I came up with another idea of reducing and changing the gear ratio of the motor. By the help of this, I will be able to change the gear ratio mechanism. This mechanism will help me do that, and it is composed of two kind of gears. You could see one is a free wheel that is most of the time put onto the sports bike, a mountain bike. It is readily available in the market. I used it, and at the other side there is a free wheel. One setup is this. It is in the middle is the axle, right? The other gear, the other thing is like this. It has a fixed free wheel but in inverted position. This one is made in such a way that it will work in coordination with this wheel. You see, with the help of this, I will be able to switch my chain from one gear to the other gear. You could see the difference. In the first situation, the chain will be here and here, so it will be a high torque situation. The high torque will be produced. But in this situation, when the chain is here and at the smallest gear over here, this will produce a greater speed, lesser torque. So I can change the gearing ratio, and this way I will be able to climb a hill without putting a lot of stress on my electric motor. This will not deplete the batteries from its charge very quickly, and this will ultimately increase my range of the bike. I'm going to put it over here somewhere. Let me give you a little bit of idea practically on my electric bike. I'm going to put this one over here. It will be run by the electric motor over here. The motor will be right here. It will be running this one, and this one will be right here, over here. And this free wheel ultimately runs the rear wheel. The rear wheel will have a larger sprocket on it, and it will be the chain will pull that sprocket and will run the rear wheel by the help of this. Thank you very much, and wish me good luck on this one. Thank you.